Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Coding with K. From this video, I am going to start a new series on Python Hackerrank problems. In this series, our first video is about first program in Hackerrank, that is say hello world with Python. Before answering the question, read the question twice to understand it better. We are solving it in Python 3. Here it says us say hello world with Python. In Python, if we want to print any statement, we use statement print. The syntax of print statement is here, print double quotes. Here they are asking us to print hello world. So just keep hello world in this double quotes. Hello. They asked us to keep it comma, space, world. It's finished. Now we have to run this code. It's processing. Yes, we passed all our test cases. Now we have to submit this code. Yes, it passed all the hidden test cases also. In this way, we can solve a Hackerrank problem. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications of my further videos. Thank you for watching.